Hi everyone, Aishwarya Nalode here, and today I'll be showing you the quickest and the easiest way to remove unwanted people from a photograph or any unwanted object for that matter. So, I had this picture of Vagator Beach from Goa that I had taken a few years ago, and I never thought that I could make this picture go from this to this. From this to this. Where the hell is the other picture? Okay, here to this. From this to this, okay? From this to this. Vagator Beach with no people. What we have to do is open a Photoshop, open our picture in Photoshop, and we all know the very well-known tool of clone stamp tool, which I used to use previously, but we have another tool which is way better than clone stamping. We just have to choose lasso tool, select whatever we do not want in the picture, and right click, fill, and select content aware over here. Just okay, bam. This is how we remove people, and just keep doing it. Here we can select a lot of people together, like I did here. Fill, gone. And just keep doing it. It doesn't take a lot of time once you get the hang of it. Get the hang. It doesn't take a lot of time once you do it. You get it how to do it. This doesn't look very good over here. We are just going to take the stone clamp. We are just going to take the clone stamp, reduce the size of clone stamp tool, alt, select a point, and just if something like that happens, you don't have to worry about that. You can just take the clone stamp, alt, select, from here, just place it over here, something like that. You can do something like that. Even that, it's good. Yeah, this works, but cloning takes a lot of time. So again, we go back to lasso tool, select, right click, fill. Okay, see, there are a few points where you'll be getting a little unwanted patch that you can just remove with the cloning tool. Otherwise, just select all of it, fill, con, and keep doing it. See, now it's just select the whole person and his or her shadow, fill, gone, and keep doing it. Sure, that's it. So easy peasy. And then this stick thing, can just remove it with the clone stamp. Alt click and you select the source. Just increase the size of stamp there. What's wrong with this? And then take a new source. So we can try it with the wow, not bad, but try to take as much of, try to select a bigger picture over here, like to here. Try to select a bigger part of the picture. Yeah, that works better. So see, the whole thing is gone, the people and the stick. Now we can use a clone stamp over here, take a source from somewhere here and just place it. That's it. See, that was so easy. Okay, gone. And this one too, gone. Here, gone. Yeah, clone stamp works. And so does filling. So does content aware fill. Content aware fill. That's what we need to do. I could give a voiceover later, maybe. See, it's working. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Keep doing it and see, that was so easy. So easy. And this one too. I think I've removed like 30 people already. Yeah, let us see. This was the original, this is my new one, and I can keep doing it with the shadow. This will work. Yeah, not bad. But sometimes, you know, a few things get repeated and it's very obvious that you have done something over here. So avoid that. Like I'll be doing it here. Avoid that scene. Problem. We don't want. here again. Fill these shadows. I did it for this entire picture. Yeah, I did it for the entire picture. It doesn't take long. Once you know how to do it, once you're confident, and once you know, like, you get the flow of it, you'll be able to do it in like 5 minutes. Yeah, this picture just takes 5 minutes max, and you get the result with you get the result like this: a beach with no people at the middle of the day. Nice. I think I'm pretty much done with this picture. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be any disturbance. Yeah, there's a little problem in this area, I guess, but you can't see it from far away. So this is what I want to show you guys. Hope you all liked it. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more such video tutorials, and hit the like button. Thank you.